Let's talk Women Talk. Cassandra Chiu is a mother and founder of her own counseling practice. She became visually impaired at the age of 8. She may have lost her sight, but she never lost her sense of purpose and determination in life. What drives one to live life to the fullest? Cassandra, I really admire how you've overcome your disability, and it must have been quite a journey for you to get here. So can you share a little bit about this journey with us?
Well, I won't say it's a difficult journey, but I got pushed into it, and my mom, she never gave me any discount for being visually impaired. I was expected to do everything else that every other kid was expected to do, go to school, do the chores. It did train me and put me in the right mindset. That doesn't mean I have one disability. I can use that as an excuse. The day I became a mom, I realized that I can't be dependent on somebody. Somebody else is dependent on me now. It doesn't matter whether I'm blind or not.
I know you work a lot as well with other people who are visually impaired.
Yes, I do.
It's a program called New Perspective.
Yes.
And can you tell us a little bit more about that program?
It's something I set up on the side, and I felt that I've received and been blessed so much in my life, and I hope to be able to contribute a little back to my community and help to make a little small difference and change what it means to be blind for some people.
And Cassandra, what is empowerment to you?
To me, that's the ability or the privilege to be entrusted with responsibility to lead a normal, independent, productive life. There's so much that can happen in a day, and I can't wait to have the next day and to experience the next day and see what life has in store for me.
Cassandra proves that disability is not an ability. Her passion for life is a source of hope and inspiration to all.